म्हापशेची बोडगेश्वराची जात्रा प्लास्टिक फ्री करपा खातीर जाय तितली खबरदारी पालिकेन घेतल्या। त्या खातीर म्हापशा पालिकेन कोणूय प्लास्टिक डंप करीत म्हूण तांचेर दोळो दवरपाक 2 पंगड नियुक्त केल्यात। ह्या प्लास्टिक फ्री उपक्रमाक बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळा म्हूण म्हायती म्हापशा पालिकेचे सीओ क्लॅन मंदिरा हांणी दिल्या। आरडीएक्स वा खातीर म्हापशेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
We have formed 2 teams to keep a check on dumping of plastic or littering of plastic. So these 2 teams work in 2 shifts from 6 o'clock till 2 p.m., 6 a.m. till 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and from 2 p.m. till 10 o'clock at night. So we have inspectors who are heading the teams. We have 20 sweepers, 10 workers who are with them, and the inspectors are empowered to impose fines on people who are found using plastic bags, carry bags, single-use plastic bags. The enforcement of this ban has been very strict so far. That is why we have not been able to find too many people making use of the vendors or the stall owners selling plastic bags. Now the total fine what we have collected is 600 rupees. 3 people were challaned yesterday. Otherwise, you see, none of the stalls, even the food stalls which are there, even the tender coconut sellers and all, they are using paper straws. They are not using plastic. Plus, we have placed bins to collect wet waste and dry waste. We have placed 40 bins over here. Plus, there's a municipal truck station over here to collect the waste.